Hello everyone, my name is Tasneem. I'm the senior manager at 98 percentile in the HR department. And today we did a wonderful drive with XLR. It was amazing right from the very beginning, from the very first day when I got in touch with them till today. I think it was an extremely smooth journey with them. There were multiple follow-ups done by the representatives in order to check that we would be, what time we would be coming, how many people would be coming, what vehicle we would get. To that extent, they were so precise in giving all the information to us. It was extremely great to get associated with them and have a drive at XLR campus. So we are very, very happy that we got a chance to do this. Now, coming to the students, what XLR had, I think they were extremely enthusiastic. They were well prepared. They were aware of what they are coming for. I think there was some back-end preparation which they did that was commendable. They also were very confident and they were open to any kind of thing we were asking them to do. That was I think the best part. Now, I really hope we have a very, very fruitful association with each one of them and XLR in future. We are really looking forward to have many more drives like this.
Hi everyone, my name is Prachi Sharma and I'm the Senior Project Manager for IT Department at 90th percentile. So today we were here for this IT bootcamp, right, this technical drive and at XLR. So it was a great experience and I would feel that the students, they are the freshers, right, but it doesn't seem like that. So if I talk about their technical and cognitive ability, they all seems pretty good in that and that's what I felt. And I guess they have been taught pretty well at XLR, so that's how they have performed good in their aptitude and the technical tests. So I wish them all the best and it was a very great experience over here.
Hi, this is Patan, Technology Consulting Manager from 98th percentile. We visited XLR for the campus placement drive and it went very well today. Miss Ambika, Miss Pragati, everyone received us greatly here and we had a lot of enjoyable time here. The students even had great experience with us. They were interactive, they had good aptitude and all the technological skills they showed. I think they were all well and we really appreciate their time that they spared to us and I think we will be doing a great job. We are expecting a lot of people to be hired from them. Let's see. it was a great experience altogether.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
From entering into the cyber tower to exiting out of this tower, the XLR team has been received me with such a care and pleasure.
I am the part of this XLR since 4 months. From the third month itself, they have conducted the placement sessions from the third month itself, and this is the fourth month, and this is the 98th percentile is one of the placement drive I have attended so far, and attending to this drive is such a good experience for me. All the HRs and the team made us feel very comfortable and confident.
XLR helped me a lot, and I experienced a lot of things today. So I really hope to be placed in that company. I'm confident about that. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Karthik Rannan. I'm the president of the Wall Street Club of BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives while they try to navigate the world of finance. I am happy that we will be able to close this workshop successfully on a very good note.
Hi, I am Raghunendra Singh, and I am the technical director of the Wall Street Club at BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. It was a great amazing conducting this workshop with XLR. The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets, which was very helpful for the people who are interested in the field of finance, business or analytics in general. Thank you.
I attended a workshop conducted by CSA and ACM in collaboration with XLR. So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course, and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching, and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me, so I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
Okay, the journey was great. Initially, I thought that I was not proficient enough in Excel, but later I came to know there was no prerequisites for it, and then I applied for it, and it was a great course, and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
Good evening, myself Kavya Ganatra. I am from Computer Science Association. I was the POC for this ML workshop conducted by CSA and ACM in collaboration with XLR. The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our technical fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it. Thank you.
Hello guys, good evening. YouTube participants, good evening to you as well. Very good evening. Voice problem, there is no any voice problem because I'm not talking. Yeah, I'm good, thank you. I hope all of you are also doing good. Guys, are you enjoying the session? Are you facing any difficulty regarding to the LMS? Any another thing? Please let me know. Yes, Nikita will upload the notes over the LMS as Swapna ma'am inform will upload the notes by Monday. No, sir, no problem. Wonderful. Yes, sir, we're enjoying the session. Good. Yes, Nikita. Sir, my name issue, it can be resolved. Where is that name issue, Rajeshwar? Let me check the comment over the YouTube as well. Yeah. YouTube guys are there. No issue. Good. So my name issue, it can be resolved. So I would like to say that whenever you are getting the notification from the XLR team, there is a mistake in the spelling. Nikita Avtade. Sir, I am not joined any group, WhatsApp group. There is any group? No, there is no any WhatsApp group, but I hope all of you are receiving a reminder message to join the session. No, Rajeshwar, it's never used to happen. If it's you enter the right name at the time of registration, it will come right only. But no need to worry about that name. Coming to the certificate, you will get the certificate by that name which is you are entering at the time of attendance. So no need to worry. कौन है ये रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो कहाँ मिलेगा रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो एलएमएस पे मिलेगा आपको sir we get reminded 1 hour before session start yes absolutely but I know that you don't need of reminder right when the exam will conduct we'll conduct the exam on the last day sir how will receive the certificate through the email or WhatsApp email only Swapnil Pawar over the YouTube asking me certificate are given or not sir certificate will be given. Don't worry about the certificates, guys. Just make sure that for certificate, 60% attendance is mandatory. Sir, I missed tomorrow's lecture. Can I get the certificate? Tomorrow's lecture you missed. I confused with your question. I also missed the tomorrow's session because tomorrow there is no any session. Tomorrow we have a weekend. You want to say yesterday, Rahul? But it's helpful. Sometime we'll forget, so it's needed. Absolutely, that's why. Thank you. Sir, what will exam contain syllabus? Whatever we covered till the date, like will all take in the examination. So not to worry. Link in Google Form online or offline, it's online only. Exam date will be the last day of this training program. Be prepared. I would like to see all of you are scoring good mark. And one more announcement, you will get the surprise gift as well. And you will get a chance as well to visit our XLR office. And you will get extra certification as well. Those who are going to do a top 10, they will receive the certificate of appreciation plus certificate of participation plus Amazon gift plus many more things. Can you do a workshop at our college? Yes, definitely. May I know your college name? If To your faculty member, definitely, I'm sharing the contact details. Will plan. Oh, Mupakam Jha is from Hyderabad, right? Can you please repeat? That's nice, sir. Thank you for all this. You're welcome. Yeah, definitely, sir. We'll connect and we'll plan such kind of webinar at your college as well. So please provide that type of lecture of backend as well as a database. So see, guys, whatever we are able to cover, we'll cover in the 20 hours, and whatever is remaining definitely will come again with such kind of courses in future. Okay. So whatever we're uploading, so get benefited of that, be there. I am also a XLA student, location of Hyderabad. Wow. Satish Kumar, which program you're attending from the XLR? And sir, if I want to join this full course, then what to do? So Vaishnavi, those who are looking for full stack development course from the XLR, then definitely you can connect with me. I will connect you with the career counselors. If you're from Hyderabad, we'll connect to you. If from Pune, Mumbai, we have a couple of offices from that location. Will connect with you. What will be the cost for this full stack program, sir? Yes, definitely. For that purpose, our team will connect with you. I'm not the concerned person to share this information with you, so no need to worry about that. On the last day, I will share one form with you. So those who are interested for such kind of the training program from the XLR, or you're looking for career counseling, you can just fill the details. Our team will connect with you. Okay. Okay, I'm from the Aurangabad. Okay, Sanjana. Yes, Sanjana, tell me. I attended lecture from day 1 to day 4, but I didn't fill out the attendance form. Why, Sumit? What is the issue? Yes, definitely. For that, for every problem, I have a solution. AMA, ask me anything. Okay. Ask regarding to this program, regarding to this placement. Don't ask my personal questions to me. Okay. Git and GitHub program is for first year. It's not like that. It's open for all. Sir, many marks exam will be there. Can you please tell? Approximately 100 marks. Swapna ma'am, are you ready? Because I'm taking the questions. If you're ready, then we'll go ahead. Please give me a heads up once you're ready. Sir, I have missed first 2 days class attendance because of login problem. So dear participants, 60% attendance is a mandatory. So if you calculate after the 10, so you have to mention the attendance minimum for 6 days. Can we get all these classes PDF? Yes, we'll upload all the PDFs, materials and codes over the LMS. There is no any notification to the assessment. You have to be there in the session. Yes, very good question. There is one question. How many days is to access the LMS, sir? That LMS access will be due for lifetime. You can access anytime, sir. Hey, sir, please tell about LMS logins. Sindhu, you can drop an email to edl@xla.com. We'll check your query. Okay. Sir, if we didn't receive the certificate, then how we can contact you? We have our email, edl@xla.com. You can connect with us. Definitely, we'll solve your query. Guys, exam will be there on the last day. Don't ask me about how many questions, sir, how many marks, sir, how much time, sir. Okay, be there from the first minute. And if anybody is going to miss, I'm not responsible for that. No one is responsible for that. Once type in the chat box, sir. Okay. Yes, Nikita, absolutely. Certificate of participation will get to that participant, those who are going to mark their attendance more than 60%. But there is one more certificate for top 10 toppers of this program. The participant who will top 10 in the examination, they will get one more extra certificate. Sir, please, sir, please share notes. Yes, we'll upload the notes. Don't worry. Yes, ma'am, you can take it forward. I given the cost access, then I will take another queries in the last 10 minutes.
Everyone. Good evening, everyone. Sorry for little delay. So laptop has got into the restart mode. Okay. So sometimes it behaves, though I schedule it, it will behave. Okay. So guys, all the notes will get updated by Monday. Don't worry. Okay. So I'm preparing it already. I started to prepare the PDF files, which can be useful for you to complete your exam as well as for practice and whatever it is required for you guys. Don't worry about that. Okay. So whoever said good evening for everyone, good evening everyone, guys. Thank you for all your pouring loud. Right. Okay. So let's start for today because it's already little delayed from my side. Let me just. So let me share the screen. So we have started with the Bootstrap also. Like I've explained you about how to write the Bootstrap and what is the Bootstrap, right? What is the purpose of the Bootstrap in our applications, right? How do we use Bootstrap, right? Using the links, right? So there are 3 different ways to add the Bootstrap to your application. Ma'am, you are saying link, that's good only. But for suppose, if my internet is not working, right? So then your links will not get uploaded because this is CDN is content delivery network will be on the cloud. Okay. This will be, the code will be on the cloud. Okay. So whenever you are connected to the internet only, this will get loaded. Okay. So now if I don't, ma'am, what to do? If I don't have an internet, but still my application should use Bootstrap. Okay. How we can write it? How we can write it? Okay. So it will be by downloading the Bootstrap. By downloading the Bootstrap. Now, there are different ways are there to use the Bootstrap. Either you can directly use the links, right? Or second way is using the Bootstrap. Bootstrap is, what is Bootstrap, right? Bootstrap is a responsive web framework, web design framework, which will save, okay, this responsive web design framework, which can save, which can be lifesaver for the web developers. Web developers. How it is a lifesaver? Right? Bootstrap contains, right? Okay, predefined CSS and JavaScript for writing, animations, transitions, right? And right, predefined and designed code for, right, developing, right, forms, right, navigation bars, navigation bars, right, etc. Right? So, and Bootstrap also, right, adjust the, right, HTML elements, right, according to the screen size of the right, where it may vary from, right, extra large to, right, large, small, medium, right, small, etc. Extra large means 55 inches TV. 55 inches TV, right? Now L means like laptop or, right? So 30 inches TV means like 25 inches TV. Medium means tab, right? Small means mobile, right? It can fit in any of the device with different size of the screens, right? So we don't need to worry about the adjusting of the HTML elements. Automatically Bootstrap will help us. How it will help? How it will help? How it will help, right? Using Bootstrap grid. Using Bootstrap grid. What is this grid? What is this grid? Okay. Now see here. What is Bootstrap grid? What is Bootstrap grid? Right? Now observe here. Right? Now see, first suppose if I'm assuming that this is a browser. If I'm assuming that this is a browser, right? Okay. Now here, the browser is considered into 12 parts. The browser is considered into the screen, or I can say that browser is considered into 12 parts. 12 parts, right? So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. 12 parts. It is 12 parts, right? Now, the browser is considered as divided into 12 parts. Right? So, it will adjust based on this. Okay. For suppose, if you want to divide the browser, into 3 parts, right? So, this will be 4. This will be 4. This will be 4. This will be 4. So, based on this grid system, right, it will automatically adjust. You can divide the screen. You can divide the browser into multiple parts based on this Bootstrap grid. Give me a minute, just a minute. I'll fetch this image so that you can easily understand. Right. Now see here. Yes. That's what I'm trying to say, Rajeshwar. It will be 12 parts. Just see here. I'll show this diagram. Right? So it will be into the equal parts you have to maintain. See here. It will be 12 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, if you want to divide into 4 columns, 3, 3 it will be. If you want to divide into 3 columns, 2, right? Now, if it is in uneven columns, right? 8 and 4, right? So, but the total will be 12. The total will be 12. So, the grid, what now, how many number of columns will be there? 12 columns. So based on this grid only, it will adjust based on the screen. Ma'am, how it will adjust? See, if it is, just observe here. This is a desktop layout. See here, this is a desktop layout. Now, if I have divided like this, margin, gallery, title, buy box, margin here, description and related, right? If it goes to the mobile or tablet layout, it will adjust like this. So how it will adjust? Based on the grids. Grids will get adjusted. If the screen gets decreased, the grids will get adjusted into this different columns, right? So like this, it will grow. If you are very small, then it will become a 12. Okay. If it is medium size, it will be, the columns will be divided into 2. Okay. If it is right, bigger size, the column means you can divide it into 4 parts, right? Like that, you can see the difference. If this is a desktop layout, this is the layout for the desktop. Like for suppose here I have an image description, write some links here. Okay. And I have this title and everything. How it will get adjusted in the tablet or mobile layout? Automatically, it will get adjusted into the 12, right? So why I'm saying is Bootstrap grid is 12 columns. Browser is divided into 12 columns. And based on this, based on the size of the screen, one second. Someone is at the door. I don't know who is it at this time. 1 second. Right. Okay, fine. Sorry, guys. Based on the size of the screen, right? Here, it will get adjusted. It will get adjusted. It will get adjusted, right? So this is the example, right? That is the advantage of the Bootstrap web design framework. It's called as responsive web design framework. Ma'am, is there any other alternatives for Bootstrap? Lot of alternatives are in market nowadays. After Bootstrap came into the picture, right? We have, what is it? Material UI, right? So like some CSS also came, right? So Material UI, etc. Like this we have, right? So which is useful for creating the responsive web applications, right? So that's what we have seen yesterday, like how to create it. There are different ways here. Bootstrap can be added into, right, HTML or into web pages in 3 different ways, right? The first one is, right, using CDN links. What is this CDN? The full form of CDN is Content Delivery Network. Content Delivery Network means nothing but some online, okay, storage. Online storage, right? Cloud storage. I can call it as cloud storage. Online or cloud storage it is. Cloud storage. There all the code will be there. You are linking your HTML file like this. You are using this HTML, this one, right? So we are using these links, right? You are using these links. You are using these links, right? And then we are importing the Bootstrap to your HTML file. Okay. Now, what is, ma'am, if internet does not works, right? It will not work. If your system is not connected to the internet, Bootstrap will not be applied. Then what is the alternative, ma'am? So how to apply the Bootstrap offline? The second way is, right, download, right, download Bootstrap. I'm going to show you this, okay? Download Bootstrap and add to the folder, right, where you are writing, add to the folder where HTML files are running, right? How? See here, just go to the browser, open the browser, right? Get bootstrap.com. This is official website. This is a official website. Okay. So get bootstrap.com. So I'm sharing in the chat the link. You people can store it. Okay. Right. Get bootstrap.com. Right. You can choose the version here. I'm choosing the 5.2, 5.0. Right. 5.0 is fine. Right. Okay. In the introduction itself, you'll be finding these links. After the quick start, you'll find the CSS link. In the heading JS, you will find the, either you can copy this one or you can copy the second one. Okay. Don't copy everything. Okay. Either you can copy this one or you can copy the second one. Okay. Right. And then you can start. Now, for suppose if I want to download, okay. If I want to download, click here for download. Right. So here there is a download button is there. There is a download button is there. Right. So click download. Right. It would have downloaded. Once download, it will download a zip file. It will download a zip file. In the downloads, it will be there. It will download a zip file. Extract it. Extract it. Here only I'll extract. Okay. Extract. I don't want all the files. I want only 2-3 files from it. So I'll extract it. I'll share all these steps. Don't worry. First observe. Okay. I'll share all these steps, how to add the Bootstrap into this. Right. Now you'll find 2 folders. One is for JavaScript. Right. One is for already there is a predefined CSS will be there. Right. CSS file it is. This is a CSS file. Okay. And it is right. So you'll find a JavaScript file. This will be a JavaScript file. Okay. Now how to add this to our application? Okay. I don't need all the files. There are a lot of files are there. If you see, there are a lot of files are there. Among it, I want only bootstrap.min.js. Okay. See this one. Ma'am, what is this min.js? JS means JavaScript, we know, right? We know that it is a JavaScript. Now, what is this min.js? Right? Minified version means it will remove all unnecessary comments, right? The commented code and everything. It will be size is different. See, bootstrap.js 146 KB. Bootstrap.min.js it is 59 KB, right? 146 and 59, right? Means how much is different? 100, almost near to 90 KB is different. So this is for production. Means if you want to host your application on the server, like GoDaddy, right? As it is a very less space they will give to host your application. If you are occupying the more space, they will bill you more. Okay. If you are occupying the less space, they will bill less. Okay. So that's why, right, this min.js, right, which is 15 KB, rate 59 KB, that we are going to copy. See here, I'll just copy it here. This is a copy button. Copy. Now, I have written this code, right, yesterday. Now, here, new folder I'll create with the name called Bootstrap. Right? Okay. Now, just paste it. Sorry, I need to write two files, two folders I'll create here. JS I'll write, and JS file I'll add it here. Now I'll create a new file, new folder again. CSS I'll write, and I'll copy the CSS from here. CSS also bootstrap.min.css is there. Bootstrap.min.css. Now copy. In the CSS, I have to copy this. Paste. Now, if you see here, I have created a Bootstrap folder. Under the Bootstrap folder, I have bootstrap.min.css. Open this. You can see here, lot of CSS is there. Border, font weight, right? Okay. See here, font weight is there. Font size is there. Okay. Right? So margin bottom is there. Margin top is there. Container is there. Right? Okay. Max width is there. Auto width is there. Flex is there. Right? See here, lot of CSS code is available here. Right? Okay. Now here it is, see, JavaScript. So you can find, see, function has been written here. There is another function. See, get element by ID. Get element by ID. Right? So you have predefined JavaScript and CSS code. Now, ma'am, how to use this? Right? Now let me create one new file. Right? Okay. So navbar dot Bootstrap means Bootstrap navbar example dot HTML. Right? Now I want to link this to, right? So for linking, so HTML I'll write. Okay. Head. Title. Right? Navbar example. Here I'll write link tag. Link href is equal to bootstrap slash, okay, css slash bootstrap dot min dot css. What is the type of this? Right? rel is equal to style sheet. Close. Now I want to load the script. Script. Okay. Right? src is equal to bootstrap slash javascript slash, right? Under this file, we have a bootstrap.min.js. rel is equal to, sorry, no, nothing. Okay, done. It should be closed with this. Done? Right. Now I can write the body. Right? Div tag I'll write. Under the div tag, I'll write the navigation bar. See, I'll just go to this components. Under the components, I have navs and navbar is there. So I can use any type of navbar. I'm just copying this navbar. This navbar I'm copying. Then add it here. Okay. Let's see whether what is the output, whether we are getting the output or not, whether our Bootstrap is working properly or not. See, Bootstrap is added. Okay. I'm show it in the Chrome, then we'll easily understand. See, navigation bar within minutes. Within minutes, I have added the navigation bar. See here. Here, this is the name. This one is right. Which one I have added? See, it's added. It's added. Right. Now, what I am saying is, right, you can download the Bootstrap, copy the Bootstrap into your folder like this, right, by using two folders like CSS and JavaScript and everything, right? And then you can use them wherever you want it in your project, okay? So anywhere you can use it. So this is the second way. Second way is like this, right? Third way is not, I can't teach you, right? So I'm not going in further details because we need Node.js for that. Okay. We need a Node.js for that, right? So I don't want to confuse you guys. Okay. So here you can either download the Bootstrap. You can use it from here only, na? Boss. Here, from here only I have copied it, right? Ma'am, after completing all Ramayana, you are asking what is the relationship between Sita and Rama? Nilishri. Always you will ask, right? Later and later. You will not ask at the time. Right? Okay. So like this, you can download. You people can go through the recording again. Okay, guys who have joined late, please go through the recording. Okay, right? See here, like this, you can copy the code. Here I have copied this code. Okay, see, I have different carousel also. I have taken it from here only. Just scroll down, right? You will find this. You will be able to adjust based on your requirement. Okay. I'm not writing any code. I have not written any code. Okay. I've just copied the code. For suppose after this, I want a carousel. So I'll copy this carousel I want. Okay. I'll copy this. Then go back to this. Right. Here. After the navigation bar. After the navigation bar. This is the last of the navigation bar. Right. Now, after the navigation bar, I'll write paste. Right? Now just see this. Go on, scroll down here. See, we have a navigation here. Means there is a carousel here, right? Now what I'll do it is, what is the wrong I did is, which image, Rasika? Which image? Logo? You have to see, Why do we need background image in the navigation bar? Did you see anywhere that there is a image in the navigation bar? Any one example show me? Any screenshot show me, Rasika? Did anyone added the image in the background, Rasika? In the navigation bar, that too. Any one screenshot can you share from where you have seen there is a navigation bar, there is an image in the navigation bar? She's asking background image, Mr. Sai. Now you can search in the internet and you can share it, no? Ma'am. Usually navigation bar will not have a background. It is not right way to add the navigation bar, professional way. Don't ask me about the, I don't know whether you have designed it for the any other social activities or social, it may be a social networking websites. Okay, but if you are developing an application for any e-commerce or anything, right? See, anything you can see. Let us assume that, okay, we can see for I said right already. It is not for the this one I said, right? Okay. Social networking websites are different, like commercial websites. Where I'm saying about the commercial websites. Okay, right? So you can adjust. You can take a background. So there is an navigation is there now. Then make it a background here. Background, you can write background image. I have shown you, right, how to add a background image. You need to customize it. Or if you want it, you can search. You can take whatever the website you people are doing it. Okay. See, navbar with background image. Right? Bootstrap. Search for it. You'll get. So just go for images. Right? You want anything like this, you can just use it. Okay. Right? Navigation bar is on. It is not the navigation bar. Sir, there is a difference is there, Mr. Who is that? Aditya Maurya. Okay. This is not the, whatever the image you have shared, it's not the right image, navigation bar with image. Okay. It is navigation bar on background image. There is a difference is there, Mr. Navigation bar on background image it is. Okay. That is a difference. You can write the background image. On top of it, you can give the navigation bar. See, these are the examples. These many are there. Take whichever you want, you can take it and you can create background image with, on top of the background image, there is a navigation bar. Okay, you will get that. If you don't want to customize it, you'll get multiple examples. Okay, multiple examples you will get. Someone would have already written the code. You can copy it and you can use it. See, this one also I can use it. Madam, ma'am, opacity you have to write, ma'am. Opacity you have to write, ma'am. Okay. You need to set the opacity for your navigation bar, ma'am. See, this is the carousel, right? For carousel, I have to adjust the Sir Vijay Varma. Okay. I have shown you background, right? How to set the background image na? In the previous session, right? Now I have shown you the navigation bar. Mix both. Mix both. Okay. Mix both. Then you will get it. You need to experiment, boss. How can I tell you how I can make you to understand that, right? Then where were you all these days? From almost 8 days. You have missed your important sessions. Okay. Then go back to the recordings and listen to the recordings. You will be able to understand. Right? Okay. So now here. So I'm just going to insert some images here. Right? See, this is navigation bar, and down I have this one, right? Now after that also, if I want any form, right? See here. Right? Any template I'll take. So this is good. I'll take this. Or you can just search if you don't want to give any consent or something here. What are other ways are there? Colorlib will take your email ID and will eat your head. Other than that, if you want Bootsnip, you will get free code. See, I have this. Now let me write. Just click on it. I'm getting an HTML here. Okay. Ma'am, can we write our own HTML also? Yes, boss. You can write your own HTML also. Now, I don't want these links, right? Now, I want only from this div tag to this div tag. Insert this, I have this. Then I have to close the div tag because I've not copied it. Right now, just see this. So we got this one. Some styling is missing, right? Now, why the styling is missing means, ma'am, if I want to, ma'am, can I customize it? Yes, you can customize it. You can write a separate CSS file like this and then customize it. See here. Ma'am, can we have multiple CSS files? Ma'am, I have written Bootstrap also. Can I write my own styles also? Yes, you can. Okay, you can. Always you can. Right? Now see here. I'll create one CSS file. Styles.css I'll write. Inside that I have copied it, the code. Now here, that you have to check with your team, XLR team. Right? Okay. Now see here, I can link. See, these administrative questions, please directly ask the XLR team, guys. It will be useful for you people only. Right? Now I have styles.css. right? REL is equal to style sheet, then close. Now here, go back, refresh. See, the style has been applied. The style has been applied. See, this is one single page applied. Navigation bar, right? Have carousel. Then after that, I have a form also. And I want footer, bootstrap footer I want. Okay, see here. Bootstrap footer template. You need to check where we have to add it and all. You need to check. See, this is one div tag. Okay, this is second one. This is for carousel, right? This is for contact form, right? After this div tag, you can add footer also. You can add footer also here. Okay, so you need to check where you want to add based on your requirement. You can directly take it from the getbootstrap.com also. Footers will be there here also. As well as you can also take it from any of this Bootsnip or something. We have this, right? Blue color will be good for us because we are using all blue color, right? So let's see. This one I will add social icon footer can write. Okay. See here. Just go to the HTML, right? Or copy the code. Copy. Here I've written footer. I will add. Okay. Now let's see whether it is added or not. Added, but it is not reflecting some CSS we need to add. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll add one more CSS here. Okay. Like footer.css. Right. Now whatever CSS is there. Right. I'll add it into the footer.css. Now I'm linking this footer. Ma'am, why you are writing into different CSS files so that you can easily understand that, right? If I want to change the color of the footer, I can go to the footer.css and I can change. Okay. If I'm writing everything in one single CSS file, what happens is, right? You need to search. You need to search. Where is your footer? Where is your header? Where is your X? Where is your Z? Like that. Okay. So you need to search. But if you have multiple sheets like this, it will be easy. You can also reuse this footer for other pages also. Okay. And debugging of the code also very easy. And then one more point is you can easily identify if you want to add a new changes. So better to add multiple CSS and multiple JS files. Ma'am, can we have multiple JavaScript files? Yes. Multiple CSS files? Yes. Ma'am, can I customize my Bootstrap code? Yes. Okay. Here, footer.css, you have these classes, right? Classes, combinators, selectors are there, no? Right? You will have combinators and selectors also here, boss. Did you attend that CSS code? I think, Sai, you were not there in the last 2-3 sessions. Last 2-3 sessions, I didn't see your questions. Then you missed a lot of good ones. Okay. So go through the recording, then you will understand. Okay, right. So class, here class is there, right? It will see what is the name of this, and then it will check in the footer.css, and then it will apply. I can give it that as a brief. Please, guys, don't miss the opportunity when you are getting a very good opportunity to learn something, right? Okay, so see here, footer has been added, right? So like this, right? We can create our own web application. Okay, right? So this is about how you can use Bootstrap by downloading the Bootstrap. And yesterday I have shown you how to add the Bootstrap using the CDN links. How to add the Bootstrap using the CDN links. And what is the advantage of the Bootstrap? To create the responsive web design. Ma'am, show me whether it is responsive or not. Okay. See here. See, just see this. Is it adjusting or not? Is it adjusting or not? Right? It's adjusting. Na? It is not hiding anything. Put X in the chat whether it is adjusting or not. Form also it is adjusting. See, based when I'm dragging it, it is adjusting itself. When I'm making it a small, it is adjusting itself. Even image also it got adjusted. Even image also it got adjusted. It is not hiding anything. It's not hiding. Even navigation bar also, see. Navigation bar also, it has adjusted. It has hidden this. Once you click on these three, automatically it is displaying. The search is there. Disable drop down link is there. Right? Even it is hiding, means adjusting the navigation bar. Even it is adjusting this carousel. Even it is adjusting this form. Even it is adjusting the footer also. Right? That's why, right? Bootstrap is, the first statement I have given in the Bootstrap is, it's a responsive web design framework. Now, when you design like this, when you design an application like this, you will be able to view same application similarly, seamlessly. Seamlessly means without any changes, right? You can see, you can browse same application in laptop, in mobile, in TV, in any tab, anywhere. It can be an Apple tab, or it can be a Samsung tab, or it can be 13 inches laptop, or it can be a 15 inches laptop, or it can be a desktop or anything. Okay. So we will be able to see it. Yes. Right. So this is about how we can create the responsive Bootstrap application using Bootstrap. And what is grid system in the Bootstrap? How many columns will be there in the Bootstrap grid system? Please put it in the chat. How many columns? Very good. Very good. Very good. Right. Ma'am, can you tell me more about the screen sizes, right? See here, just see this. Getbootstrap.com only. We'll just go to the 5.02. See here. Browsers and devices, right? It supports in all the browsers. See. Now I want this access system. Wait. Grid system. See here. Columns, right? Now, see, grid options. These are grid options, right? Now, ma'am, here see. These are this one. Means if it is greater than or equal to 1400 pixel size, right? Double XL. If it is greater than or equal to 1200 pixels, it is XL, right? Large, 992 pixels. Medium, 768 pixels, right? Small, 576 pixels. Extra small, less than 576 pixels, right? See? Auto layout columns, right? Automatically, it will utilize the breakpoint when you specify. See here. When you are becoming, when your screen is becoming SM means small, right? It will take 6. It will take 6. Akbar, that is difficult here. Right? Means we need a front end and back end code also we have to write. Okay. If time means slightly challenging to show for one person also, right? One person, I can't show for that, okay? Because other people, I need to give the background of that, then I can explain it for everyone. Because we are not only one-on-one, we don't have this one, right? So if you have one, if you want to learn more, just register for the, right, full stack mean course or main course or Java full stack course. Then you will be able to understand how to use any API in our website. Okay. Right. See here. So how to create different columns based on columns and width. Based on columns and widths. Right. See here. So there are, we need to know about the containers in the Bootstrap also, right? The containers are, there are 3 types of containers. Only container, container fluid and break. Now, ma'am, show me what is how the container will be there. Okay. See here. What is the difference between all these 3 containers? Because in future, if I'm using that, you people should not get confused that, ma'am, why you are using the container here. Containers in BS means bootstrap.html. Containers in Bootstrap. Copy this. These links are there, no? So whatever it is there, this. Don't type it, okay? No one is going to ask you, right? What is the syntax? They will ask you what is the tag for adding the Bootstrap script and Bootstrap link, okay? So Bootstrap script and Bootstrap link only they are going to ask. Don't worry, right? So you can copy a little bit of the code here and there, and no one will remember. I'm telling you, no one will remember all the tags, right? No one will remember all the syntaxes, okay? But if you know how to use it, it's well and good, okay? So don't buy heart, okay? So try to understand, try to understand. So done, right? Now body, div tag, right? Class is equal to class selector I'm using. I have this. Right, container I have written. Now see here, okay. Okay, I'll write some CS style here. Right? With 100%. Right? Height 50%. Background hyphen color. I'll give it as Akka. Right? Now let's see here. Container. Okay. I think I have created in a wrong place or what? Outside of it. Okay. Wait. So it is just a container. Okay. Let's see this. This is container. This is container. Okay. Now there is another container is there. Right? Container hyphen fluid. Container hyphen fluid. Right? Now see here. So this is container hyphen fluid. So I'll just give margin bottom. See, this is container. The first one is a container. This one is container fluid. How do you understand? Let's write it here. Container hyphen fluid. So layout, container is nothing but a layout. Means like you will have a box, like you will add everything, right? So like that it is a container. Container is English spelling only. So you will use this container to add what you want, like you want heading, you want carousel, you want anything that you will add it. Okay, ma'am, is it there here also? Yes, boss, it is there. See, container hyphen fluid. See here. Right? Now here you can see container, he has written here container for contact form. For contact form, right? Now if you see, you'll find that, right, containers, right? So container hyphen fluid. So this is a 2. Now you can have container XSL also, right? Container XL, large, medium, smaller, everything. That is very rarely we will use this, but the mostly used containers are container and container fluid. See, dot container is based on the max width. Max width means this is the max width, right? So based on the max width, 100% extra small, 5 based on the max width of this devices, right? It will set the container, right? Container fluid without any irrespective of the screen, right? it will put it 100%. That's the difference between container and container fluid. Ma'am, which one you have to use? It's purely depending upon your requirement. It's purely depending upon your requirement. Okay, right? So I can't say only fluid will be used or container will be used. So these are two different containers in the important containers, I can say. Two different important containers in the this one. What is the default container? Container. What is the default container? It's a container. If you don't specify anything, right, then it is a container. If you want fluid container, you need to specify container hyphen fluid like this. Container hyphen fluid using class selector. Using class selector. Right. Ma'am, can I create my own containers? You can create. If you have patience, you can create your own containers. Right? Okay. So this is about grid containers, right? And you can have multiple columns. So vertical alignment, how this vertical alignment will be done in the columns, right? If you want the columns like this, you can write like this. Align hyphen self center, align hyphen self start. Ma'am, what are these? Ma'am, where is this? These are all predefined pseudo classes. Predefined pseudo classes, right? You can just go through it, because if I go on speaking, it will take almost 1 month to complete all the course of the Bootstrap, only Bootstrap, right? You have different contents also, buttons, everything. Container is nothing but container is a spelling English word, right? What is container meaning in English? Right? An object or for holding or transporting something, right? An object for holding or transporting something. Means container can hold. Here, if you see, Mr. Rajeshwar, okay. See, I'm writing the contact form. I have defined a container. Inside it, I have an image is there, okay. And even I have a form is also there, okay, right? So means container can have any other HTML elements. To group all the HTML elements, container means you are going to group it and transport it. Right. So that is about the container. See, though some right, to understand, right, what I suggest is, if you are not good in English, right, you should be good in English to understand something, right? Okay, so means if you want, okay, to understand, right, some lectures, right, or maybe because English is a global language, guys, nowadays. Without English, if the communication skills are not good, even it is very important for getting selected in interviews. Okay, so if you're not good in English, your confidence will be less, and when your confidence is less, right, so you will not have a proper attitude. If you don't have a proper attitude, you will not be able to answer it properly. When you can't answer it properly, then you will not get selected in the interview. Okay, so along with the technical knowledge, see, if you people are little bit down, less on the side of the soft skills, means communications. Soft skills means like how to speak, right? How to sit in front of the other people, how to write the code, means how to write the means not writing is different. How to speak a proper English, right? So try to develop it, and you don't need to put any money on that. Okay, sit in front of the mirror and then practice it. You will be able to understand, like whether your eyes are properly focused or not, right? And how you are sitting, whether your spine is straight or not, right? Okay, so all these things matters. It will build your attitude. When you build attitude, confidence will make you to answer though you have knowledge, though you know the answer, right? To make it and project it in a proper way, we need soft skills also. Okay, right. Now, one more I will show you. Right? Card in. Sai Kumar, I'll not answer it, okay? Because if you have attended all the sessions, then by this time you would have understood which is enough, which is not enough. Okay? Don't ask and don't put the same question and again and again. If it is an answerable question, I would have answered. You should be punctual, you should be disciplined, you should be dedicatedly, you should learn. Then only you will understand what is the outcome of a course. Okay. So simply don't join for the attendance, right? So just simply don't blast the chat boxes, right? Everything end to end. Okay. In the life, you are giving up 2 hours of time every day. Means 20 hours. 20 hours means 20 into 60, right? 1200 minutes. 1200 minutes if you are not able to give for your career, right? Why I will give 5 minutes of my time for your career? Right. Now here, if you people are 100 also, okay, I'll be able to easily understand who is regularly joining, who is not joining, who is absent, and who are joining for the, right, for attendance after 7:30, 8 o'clock, who is joining. Everything I know. Everything I know. You may be 1,000 or 2,000 people in the session. I'll easily understand. By seeing the names itself, I can easily understand. So that's my, okay, plus point, because I'm a trainer, right? I have trained almost more than 50K people. Now I'm crossing almost 60K by this year. Okay, means my marathon will go on, right? I would have seen like a lot of people like you. Right. Okay. Now see here. So these are cards. These are cards, right? See here, card is there. Means card means like this, it is there, no? You can see. This is card, right? Okay. So it's not allowing me. This is card. You are seeing this. This is a card. Ma'am, can we design like this? Yes, ma'am. You are saying that this is a card. Can you show us? See, A hyphen card UI header. You can see here. A hyphen card UI hyphen body header footer. Right, ma'am? Can I design this? Yes, ma'am. It will take a lot of CSS, ma'am. Then how easily I use Bootstrap? Use Bootstrap. Here it is there. Here it is there. Right? This is a card. This is a card. This is another card. This is another type of card. Right? So you have different types of cards are available. Ma'am, I don't like this. I want some other cards. Bootstrap card, carousel. Bootstrap card with image. Here. This is a card. In between it is a card. Okay. So you can search. There will be lot of, see, colorly bizarre. You can have tutorial republic. See, this is a card. Right. So you can find different types of cards will be there. Wait, let me see. Bootsnip is there. I'm just seeing. Searching, right? Okay, is also an art. Searching is also an art. Okay, so this is the card. These are the cards. Okay, now I don't want all this. I'll just take it here only. This one, copy. Like this now. You can use this. Okay, HTML. Right, write a container. Okay, and write multiple cards. Right? You can write multiple cards. So you can see here. Container I can take. See? This is one card. Okay. This is another card. This is another card. Right? So you need to give class is equal to row. Right? Then you can write it. You can write it. Okay. Now see here. I have not added the Bootstrap links. That's why it is not giving the hard images. Card is there. Image, if you don't have, let me copy this. So see. So this is one card, this is one card, and this is one card. Ma'am, I want images, right? So go back, change the images. Where is this SRC? Okay, it's not able to take this image. Okay. So let me add my own image. See, image is there. card with image. This is the heading, right? Then you can give some text. You want one more image? See, first text and then image. Okay. This is one more image. This is already I have added. See, right? You can have 3 images. Okay. So only one thing you have to use is you can use container inside that row, then you can add 4 cards. So this is cards. These are cards. See, if you want to create these cards using only CSS, it will take a lot of time. It will take a lot of time. Okay. So Bootstrap is best, right? To design kind of applications. Bootstrap is a boon for the web developers. You don't need to concentrate more on the styling and the styling part, so that you can only concentrate on the functionality and you can save your time. And you can save your time. Okay, right? Now, see here. So cards are there. Carousel I have shown you, right? So you have drop downs are there, right? So you want popovers also, you can have a popovers also, you can have. See, click on this. It will pop over, right? Now see here. Just add it here. In any of the file, you can add it. That's not a problem. So here, it's a different types of styling. Okay. CSS styling only. It's a different type of styling. Like Bootstrap only. So there is differences, right? You can have the flexibility in the customization, right? So whereas Bootstrap offers more structured and opinionated, means it has already the set of designs are available, but whereas Tailwind CSS, you can easily change. That is only the difference. Both are same. Both are same. One second. What is it? Okay, popover, right? Right, just scroll down, click. One second, I think. Maybe it is not supporting 5.0 only, right? Popover right and popover run. We have placed it in a wrong place. Huh? Div tag only, right? Okay, let me check that why it is not working. Popover is not working. Let me check. Wait, inspect. Let me write it. There is no error here. There is no error means there's no problem with the scripting. I've already shown you, right, Nidin? I've already shown you, right, how to link it using anchor tag. I have shown you the navigation bar also, right? What is the purpose of navigation bar? Nidin, what is the purpose of a navigation bar? To navigate to the other pages, no? It's not about that, I think. What is the purpose of navigation bar, Mr. Nidin Thomas? Put it in the chat. What is your understanding about the navigation bar? It's not about the div tag, right? Okay. So here I have a navigation bars, right? Now in this, here href is there, right? Okay. Now I can give some file I can give here. Bootstrap carousel.html. Now see here, when I click on this navigation bar, it goes to carousel example.html. It's a new page. It's a new page, right? Okay. Now, if I want home, if I click, I want to go to the new page. So here you have href is there, hyperlink reference, right? Okay. So here you can write login.html. Any file you can link, okay, that you want. Login.html has been loaded, right? So like this you can group. Got it? I think you didn't attended anchor tag example. Okay. If you would have attended anchor tag example, you would have understood like how to link a different pages. That's why every day attending the session is very, very important. We don't know what time, we don't know which time what important topic we will be discussing, right? Every topic is important. Each and every topic is important. Okay. I think we need to copy this JS. Sorry. Okay, got it. I need to copy this JS JavaScript file. Okay. Right. Okay. For popover, I have to write this one. Where is it? Navbar only I have written. Now what I'll write? Popup.js. Copy this. And I want to link this script file. Yeah, you can have, ma'am. Anything you can have. You can have, we can add more and more. Anything you can have. You can customize. You can customize. I said no. You can customize it. It's purely depending upon your requirement, madam. 1 second. Wait. Line number popup.js, line number 1, 15th call, 15th line. There is some error in the code. Dot example popup is been given or not. Okay, so you can debug like this. Okay, see here, ma'am, what you are doing, right? Ma'am, we are not able to understand. See here, just read this. Oh, it's fine. Error is fine. Okay, don't worry. Errors are always good. Okay, with errors only we will learn a lot. Now see here. In bootstrap.min.js, right? I'm trying to find a container, but it is null. See, there is an error at popup.js in the line number 1, 15th line. Means in the JS file, there is some error is there. Okay, so that's why it's showing this error. Now we can debug by seeing this. We can debug by seeing this. Okay, I'll see that. I'll see that debugging and all later. So you can, ma'am, something is not working. Okay, JavaScript or HTML and CSS will not show any error in the web browser. Okay, ma'am, how do I know that there is an error in the browser? Okay, there is error in my code. Okay, how I can understand what are the errors in my code? Right, right click on it. Just go to the inspect. Elements is, what are the elements I have written? Console is there. In the console, you will see errors. Right? Console, you will see JavaScript errors. Okay, right? Sources. See, there is an error. If there is error, the file is in the red color. See? Right? So like this, it will show errors and all. If you want to see errors, you can see the errors. And if you want to see any information about the CSS, right? Issues. A form field element should have an ID or name attribute. Page layout may be unexpected due to quicks mode, right? Some issues of the CSS, here it is there, see, blue color. Red color is for JavaScript errors. Here it is blue color. You can see issues with the CSS. Issues with the CSS, right? So like this, you can debug your code. Okay, debug means when you have, ma'am, this carousel is not working. Now, how do I understand? Right? You people are not, means even me, slowly I have learned all these things, right? Just click inspect, then go to the, here it is there. You'll find this too, right? This one is JavaScript errors. This one is CSS errors, mostly. If there is no error, it will not show any issues. Okay. Right. So this is about how to group, how to use the Bootstrap and customize. There was a question that, ma'am, can I add a table here? After this div tag, I want a table. So let me see. I'm just removing this button. I want a table. I want a table here. Table code is there. My own code I want to add. Right? This is the table, na? I can add my table. You want to add your own code also, you can add. Ma'am, I want Bootstrap table. Ma'am, I want Bootstrap table. Ma'am, I want to convert this table to the Bootstrap table. Ma'am, how to convert? Class is equal to, right? Search in this bootstrap.com. Okay. Search in the bootstrap.com. Table, right? So this is a table. Class is equal to table. This will become a bootstrap table. Class is equal to table. Class is equal to table. See, design is an added. Before that, it was not designed. Now, ma'am, will it adjust? Will it adjust? Yes. See. See, table data is also adjusted. See, it's increasing. Ma'am, I want striped table. I want striped table, right? See here. We have written some CSS code, no? Nth child and all, right? I don't need to write that. Table hyphen striped. See, color is changed. You can see there is a highlight color. See, right? Table hyphen stripe. To write the striped table. To write the striped table. Right? So what I'm saying is, like this, you can also customize your own HTML elements. Got it, Vaishnavi? Right? So these are different, some of the components only I covered. Button and all, you people can try it out very easy. Okay, there is nothing like whatever it is, little bit slightly different, right? Like carousel, navigation bar, right? Cards, right? Table I have shown you, right? I have shown you, like, if you want, ma'am, I want some icons, right? Someone was asking about the icons, right? Can I use icons also, right? See here. See here. Bootstrap icons you can search. Right? So icons are there, Bootstrap icons. These are the icons will be there. Right? Font awesome icons, weather icons, option icons. Right? So Bootstrap team, what happens is there is some issue, means some limitations are there for the Bootstrap icons. Like alternatively, you can use font awesome. Right? So these icons, font awesome icons, these are, right? So you can use your, like this. regular heart. So accessibility like this you can use. You need to add vegetables, alphabets, maritime. So this is font awesome. Font awesome is good for icons. Just only small thing, okay? Right? First, wait. Let me show you emoji, right? First, we need to click on start. Means we need to start, right? How we can add it. We can use the CDN link. Database here, kindly understand, right? We are only learning front end, okay? So back end, if you want to learn, and the full stack, if you want to learn, there should be an some time is required, okay? Understand that. See, I can write this part, we can download also, you can write download and you can customize it also. But I'm seeing any online link is available or direct link is available or not. There was direct link, but I think they have removed it nowadays. So you can use this address book. These are all icons you can use. So just sizes also, small, medium, large, extra large, double XL, triple XL, like this. You just need to use class is equal to FFA Hydra, this one. Right? It will show. So wait, let me check. So we need to copy this. Which one we have to copy? We need to know that when to add it. Okay. What I'll do is here. This is script, actually scripted. JavaScript, right? Okay. Great. Congratulations. Okay. If you have added, it's good. Okay. Then once you add it, you can use the font awesome. Just add this. It's it input type is equal to email. Then after that, you can add it. Let's see. See, icon has been added. Font awesome icon has been added. So you can add like this. You can just import the CDN links and then you can use the icons. Font awesome icons will be little good than Bootstrap icons, but both are same. No worries. See, it's been added here, right? You can adjust it. You can adjust it. There is an icon, small icon has been added. Right. So like this, you can add the icons also. Eye icon, if you want eye icon, right? For open means password and all, you can add. No. Font awesome is clickable or font is clickable. Font is not clickable. Icon is not clickable, I think. Okay. It's not clickable. You can, if you want to write, you can write any event for that. Okay. Okay. So this is how you can add the Bootstrap. So this is all about the Bootstrap, guys. So Monday, if someone asking about the JavaScript, I thought like I started Bootstrap, will complete the Bootstrap today. I don't want to give the break for the JavaScript. So Monday and Tuesday, we will be completing the JavaScript. Yeah. Tell me any questions are there, let me know. Okay, you have to host it on the GoDaddy websites, like you can use it on the Amazon, AWS, right? And then you can give that link for other people. They will host AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, right? GCP, or you can use GoDaddy, or you can use GitHub, right? And you can share the link for others. Dear, wait, I'll tell you one thing, just a minute, guys. People are saying no recorded lectures and see. Wait. go to the YouTube. Okay. XLR. Right. So go to the XLR. You go to the videos. Right. You find our, I think day 1 or day 2 also, right? Day 1 or day 2, Amar has shared the link. Okay. So if you use that link, you will find this. My session also has been live streamed and has stored here also. Yes.
Yeah, if you go in the live option, no, the complete series is there in the live only here.
Live option you can get.
Huh.
All things you'll get from here. You have to, that link if you have shared, whatever the Amar's link that shared, that day Amar shared, you can directly go to your sessions. That's why it's very important to maintain some small file to copy paste all the links which is shared during the session, guys. Amar, if you want to share that link with them, because a lot of people want to revise their concepts.
So can I
and some are absent
share
also.
the YouTube link with them?
Yes, Amar.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
See, alone with HTML and CSS and JavaScript, we cannot connect the Java code here. Okay. Nilushri. So we need to learn servlets and JSP. Then you can easily create one application using Java. HTML and CSS, we use it inside the JSP for styling the application. Because it will be little hard. Directly HTML I never connected. Using JSP only I have connected. Where is it, Supranjan? What is your question, Supranjan? Where is it? Okay. What is it? What is your question, ma'am? I have some problem in these lines of CSS code. Did you copied all the 3 lines? This copied, you have CSS also you have created. HTML also you have created. How did you pasted your code? Maybe @ import URL is not working for you guys. Maybe 1 second. Let me see the code, what the code you are using. Wait. Let me try. To copy like this. Okay, it's giving an error means this dollar $GR1 it has been given linear gradient. So this is not getting supported inside the CSS. Maybe it is SASS. Maybe 1 second. SCSS it is, not CSS it is. SCCSS. This is a different CSS. So it will not be supported. Means you need to use, 1 second. Rename the file. Now it will give, and it will not give any error. Okay. SC, SS is different and CSS is different. Okay. So that is error. So you need to see how to link SCCS file in HTML. Okay. So then you can use it. Right. Okay. Any questions, please post. Okay, if no questions are there, we can close for today. We'll meet on Monday. Okay. So guys, I'll share the material by Max by tomorrow with Amar. Amar will do the needful thing for uploading the files. Tomorrow or Max by day after tomorrow, I'll share it. Before Monday, you will get all the material. Bootstrap, CSS, JavaScript, HTML, all 4 files.
Guys, I have one announcement for you. So from 24th of the January, we're starting one more training program. And dear coders, that program is waiting for you. And we're starting Git and GitHub training program for 20 hours. The timing will be the same, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Friday. And duration is 20 hours. So I'm requesting everybody to please join that training program. If your friends, your family members, your colleagues, if your students, if your faculty, definitely share that link and be there. And you have one more surprise regarding to the trainer. So let's see. Your favorite ma'am is going to come. So please register, please share with your friends and ask them to register, okay? Definitely, thank you. I hope all of you are accessing the LMS, you're watching recordings. If you are missed any update, definitely go through the recordings. Recording session is there over the YouTube and LMS as well, and it will be with you for lifetime. So no need to worry. Course name is Git and GitHub. Yes, WhatsApp number is compulsory. Why? Because at the time of registration, if you are going to submit your WhatsApp number, we used to send reminder message before the session. So you will get the Zoom link and YouTube link. So try to submit your WhatsApp number. If it's not, anyway, we are live on Zoom and YouTube. You will get the LMS access. But I hope nowadays no one is there who don't use the WhatsApp, right? Or anybody's there who don't use the WhatsApp? I know that few of you don't have a visual code with you, but definitely you have Instagram and WhatsApp with you. And every time, don't ask for code. You're not here for copy paste, okay? Practice on your own. We are here to learn, guys. But don't worry, we'll upload the code as well. Yes, definitely, Sumana, you can share with your family members. Registration link once again. Yeah, sure. Okay, guys, if you don't have any query or question, so we'll wind up for the day and we'll meet you again on Monday. So happy weekend, keep practicing. And good night, take care of yourself and take care of your family. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Amar. Thank you, everyone. Love you all. Take care.